All right, Mr. D, gardening things to do over the winter. What do we need to do?
The main thing you need to do is take care of your tools.
Because
you take care of your tools will take care of you. And I have some examples of tools that have been taken care of, and they provided a living for a family of 6 and sent 6 of them to college, 6 kids to college, and on a little 128 acre farm in West Tennessee.
How about that?
But this is an example right here. This is a hoe that was probably purchased in the mid-60s by my dad, and this was used. This was weed control on the farm,
Right.
and we had 8 of them, a crew of 8, 6 kids and mom and dad.
Wow.
So when we took 16 rows around when we were in full operational mode. But with any hand tool, the rust is your enemy. So the main thing that you need to do is make sure that you have your metal clean, have all the dirt removed from it, and that's the number one
That's
thing.
number one?
You
Okay.
clean it off, unlike some folks do, and then a light.
Yeah, I wonder what he's looking at.
Yeah,
A light coat. I'm looking at that shovel.
I
right
know.
there.
Looking at
I know.
Chris's dirty toes.
Yeah. But clean the dirt and then rust, and you may need to even use some sandpaper at times, and then lightly coat it with oil. And back in the day, we didn't use WD-40 and we didn't use new oil. We used burnt cylinder oil that we had left over from when we changed the oil in the tractors and the mowers and things like that. The handles are handles. This is the original handle on this hoe. It survived probably several snake killings by my mother. But it's a hickory handle.
Really smooth.
It is smooth. The way you take care of good quality handles is if it's rough, if you have any rough edges, lightly sand it.
Yeah, or you're going to get blisters if you
Yeah,
don't.
you will get blisters, and you'll get blisters if you do. If you do as much hoeing, you may have to wear gloves. But we didn't wear gloves. Our hand, you develop calluses pretty quick when we were using these things as kids. But lightly sand it, and then coat it with linseed oil before you go into the winter. Boiled linseed oil is a really good product to preserve wood. And I would just pour some on a rag like this. I'm going to do that. I haven't done that this winter. Might make a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. Little dab will do you. That's why this can is so old.
Man, it looks old.
It lasts a lot of years.
Yeah.
But if you just take that, and I'm going to try not to hit you, Dr. Kelly.
I know.
Come around here like so. And you just take this. You rub it and down the handle. Smell it?
I do. I like
I'm going to
smelling
come back
linseed
around
oil,
here a
yeah.
little bit. I need a little bit more
So you do that every fall.
every fall.
Yep.
And so you don't have to worry about it anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, he practiced what he preaches. You see.
I can
right.
tell.
Yeah,
You
I
can
mean,
look
look
at
at
that
it, right,
handle and
yeah.
know that it's been
With some things I practice
polished
what I
up.
preach.
Oh,
Come around here again. I'm trying to think if I have anything. I don't have anything against you at all.
I hope not.
Okay.
Your weapon in your hand there.
But you know, that will take care of that one for the winter. I do the same thing with my axe handles and shovel
Oh
handles.
yeah,
and,
smell that.
Yeah, I can
Doesn't that
smell
smell
that.
good?
if you have fiberglass handles or plastic handles or metal handles,
Uh-oh.
there's no need to do this. There's absolutely no need to do this. But there's something about a hickory handle.
Yeah.
You know, folks, it's just something about it. There we are.
Nice.
Shovel?
Look at him. Uh-huh.
Oh, that's old.
See, once I've got this cloth saturated pretty good, then I won't have to put any more on it. It's a sharpshooter. This is probably
Oh wow. Well, you got that and shined up.
This sharpshooter's probably bought it in the mid '80s, early to mid '80s.
Yeah, that looks good though.
But do that with your hand tools, pruning shears, oil them, sharpen them, clean them up. I mean, it's going to be time to prune pretty soon. But take care of your tools, your lawnmowers, your tillers, and things like that. Clean them up. I like to rub, not linseed oil, but I like to rub the oil on the metal areas that might rust. Just wipe it on there.
So do you do this after every time you use it?
No.
No, I meant the cleaning the
metal I
part
do.
off. Yeah,
the
you
metal
clean
I
the-
do.
you clean the dirt off,
I
right?
clean the dirt off, and
Yeah.
I will coat it with oil.
Yeah,
after
that's
every
what I was
use.
asking.
Yeah, after every use. If you don't do that, if you leave oil,
It
if you
rusts.
leave dirt on there, it'll rust.
Yeah.
They will rust, unless you have stainless steel.
Well, I hate to
Tool.
say it, but I've been known to do that. I'm glad you're not looking at my tools.
But also with your on the mowers, the small engines, you can. There's a couple of things you can do. You can run the fuel completely out of them.
Yeah, I was gonna
and
ask
let
you
them be
about that.
completely empty.
Okay.
Or you can make sure you use fuel stabilizer in your fuel. I recommend using non-ethanol fuel in small engines. Non-ethanol fuel, and you can get it at a lot of places now. It used to be kind of hard to find, but even the small engine repair shops,
Yeah.
they tell you, they recommend
Yeah, they
using
do.
non-ethanol
And even some of the
fuel.
manufacturers' directions now will tell you,
Right.
Yeah.
for these little small
sure do.
engines, don't ever use, the other type.
Right.
Use the ethanol.
But even when you do that, when you use the non-ethanol fuel, put fuel stabilizer in it. I put fuel stabilizer in all of my fuel for all my small engines. Then store them full. Fill the tanks up and store them full. Make sure you run some through the carburetor or through the fuel injection system so that the engine has that in there.
Okay.
But clean out your sprayers.
We got your sprayers, right?
Drain them, clean them out, clean out your nozzles, hang them upside down, and make sure that the sprayer's completely drained.
Good
You do all that, you'll be ready to go next week.
Be ready to go. Good stuff, Mr. Deary. Appreciate that. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please click the subscribe button below.